The federal government now saves 6 billion naira monthly through a cut down in recurrent expenditure.
And that's according to the Finance Minister, Mrs. Kemi Adeosun, while briefing the Senate on the economy. She told lawmakers at plenary that the move is part of federal government's efforts towards ensuring fiscal discipline in the face of dwindling oil revenues. According to her, the government now spends 159 billion naira instead of 165 billion naira previously spent monthly on recurrent expenditure.
The Senate had on May the 26th summoned the minister to brief them on the 2016 budget and other economic issues affecting Nigerians. Mrs. Adeosun, however, failed to appear before the upper legislative chamber yesterday, prompting her appearance today.